I'm Richan Dayo, a social studies teacher handling world history at Pedro Guevara Memorial National High School, a junior high school in Santa Cruz, Laguna, Philippines. To me, a successful classroom activity is not just an accomplishment in a school, but also an action to generate positive attitudes in the learners beyond the four corners of the classroom. In my 5-year teaching career, I've been known to implement the three general rules or the three golden rules in social studies class of Teacher Richan. Rule number 1 is respect, second is peace, third is cleanliness. They are all vital parts of the class and our society, so I see to it that everyone obeys them. As much as possible, I apply suitable classroom activities to inform and help the learners realize that everyone has their own waste management tactics and they can help preserve Mother Earth in their own ways. For instance, on the topic human geography. I asked them to research the waste management practices of the different tribes in the Philippines while creating paper doll dresses that showcase the colorful culture of the ethnic tribes. In this activity, they learn about the different waste management practices of the tribes while showcasing their artistic views. It is a very cool activity. They could appreciate the different tribes to which they don't belong. They see the ethnic tribes' best cultural and ecological practices, which they can imitate and apply in our school, community, and their own houses. Another thing is, upon discussing the world's geography, I asked them about the possible action they could take to help the earth. I always hear the answer conservation. To apply their generalization, I approach it with a simple activity that I think is more authentic and helpful to the environment, their parents, and every citizen. This activity asks them to bring their current household bills for electricity and water. At first, my students are hesitant and think, what will we do with a bill? Everyone is supposed to pay it, no matter how huge the amount is, if they don't want a disconnection. It is answered later in the lesson, in which I said the next performance task is to conserve their electricity or water consumption. The pointing system depends on how many cubic meters or kilowatt per hour they'll deduct from their last consumption. It is automatic perfect score if they fall at least 30% from their last bill or justify how they use their utilities properly. Most parents reacted positively as they save a lot of money from it and are happy that the activity instilled the idea of conservation in the young minds of their children. In the future, I still think of a way to help Mother Earth. My classroom activities aren't grand, but I'm positive they have positive impact on my students, their family, the community, and our environment.